In today's digital landscape, the business model of dropshipping has emerged as a compelling option for entrepreneurs seeking to enter the world of e-commerce without the traditional burdens of inventory management. This model, often described as running an online store with no stock, allows business owners to sell products to customers without ever touching the merchandise themselves. At the core of dropshipping lies a simple yet transformative concept. When a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. Thus, the merchant never handles the product directly, eliminating the need for a physical store, warehouse, or even an initial large capital investment. The allure of low startup costs and minimal operational headaches makes dropshipping an attractive entry point into the world of e-commerce. The journey of dropshipping begins with selecting a niche. This is perhaps the most critical decision, as it lays the foundation for everything that follows. A successful niche must meet a few key criteria. It should be something that the business owner is passionate about, have market potential with steady demand, and possess moderate to low competition levels. Tools like Google Trends and keyword search analytics can be invaluable here, providing insights into consumer interest and competition in various segments. Once a niche is confirmed, the next challenge is finding reliable suppliers. This step is crucial as the supplier's performance directly affects customer satisfaction. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket offer extensive directories of suppliers, making it easier for entrepreneurs to source products. However, it is vital to vet these suppliers thoroughly. Communication, shipping times, and product quality should all meet or exceed customer expectations. A well-chosen supplier can be the difference between a thriving dropshipping business and a logistical nightmare. The choice of e-commerce platform is another significant decision. Leading solutions like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce offer integration with multiple suppliers, simplifying the product listing and sales process. These platforms provide an array of customizable templates, payment gateways, and security features, allowing store owners to create a seamless shopping experience. The focus should be on ease of use, integration capabilities, and overall cost. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of dropshipping. Effective strategies often encompass a mix of social media advertising, search engine optimization, and email marketing to drive traffic and engage potential customers. Since dropshipping often involves selling products available elsewhere, the ability to distinguish one store through branding and customer relationship management is paramount. Forging strong connections with your audience through compelling storytelling and consistent value propositions sets the stage for long-term success. Despite its apparent simplicity, running a dropshipping business is not without challenges. The lack of control over product quality and shipping times can lead to customer service issues. There is also the risk of intense competition, where pricing wars can erode profit margins. Therefore, entrepreneurs must remain adaptable, finding innovative ways to add value and transform first-time buyers into loyal repeat customers. In conclusion, the art of dropshipping deftly combines e-commerce prowess with strategic entrepreneurship. While it offers an accessible path into the online retail world, success demands thorough market research, careful supplier selection, and a robust marketing strategy. As the digital economy continues to evolve, those who master the art of dropshipping will find they can navigate the competitive landscape with agility and foresight. With dedication and shrewd decision-making, it is entirely possible to build a prosperous online store without ever holding a single piece of inventory. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe. Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9to5.com.